To correctly insert the bobbin on the Pfaff Ambition 1.0 sewing machine, after you wind it, if you take it directly off the bobbin winder and without flipping it over, bring it down to the bobbin area, it will be exactly like the picture shows you, where the thread is coming off the left-hand side, just like the picture needs you to have it for dropping it in. Next, you need to put it in the tension area. And this little part down at the bottom, let's say kind of 6 o'clock area, maybe 6:30, you will find yourself bringing the thread towards you and over here to the left. If you put your finger on it, it can kind of stop the bobbin from spinning and make sure it gets smoothly into the tension area. Next, just follow the arrows around the outside, and right underneath this arrow is a cutter. So if you pull on it, it cuts the thread, allows you to put the little cover back over the bobbin area, and you know what? You don't even have to bring up the bobbin thread anymore. All you need to do is start to sew. That little extra cut of thread that was left is just the perfect length for the needle thread to catch it when it starts to sew.